Hello friends. I encountered such a problem as a crunching noise when the engine was running on a 2017 Ford Transit. Now I'll insert a short video about how the engine works and makes some kind of crunching sound. Then I will tell you the solution to this problem. So let's listen.
Короче, подхрустывает, блядь. Вот. Я скандер включу. Постоянный хруст.
So friends, now I'll tell you what was replaced on the car. We replaced the tensioning mechanism assembly and two idler rollers, after which the sound disappeared. Maximum suspicion fell on the tensioning mechanism because there was a lot of wear on it. The tensioning mechanism is sold both as an assembly and just as a bearing. I recommend that you replace it completely with the mechanism, because I already changed just the bearing and the very weak sound remained. And after replacing the tensioning mechanism assembly, the sound disappeared. Of course, it will be more expensive, but you will be sure that you have replaced this element, and if the sound does not disappear, it will be easier to find the source of the sound. That's actually the whole problem. The repair cost me around $200 in Russia. Perhaps in your country it will be more expensive or maybe cheaper. I hope this video will help you solve this problem. If of course it is the same as mine. Subscribe to the channel, put your fingers up and have a nice day.